Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. The Bank of Jamaica says its latest stress tests show the country's financial system is resilient. The central bank says the tests show deposit-taking institutions can withstand hypothetical liquidity, market and credit shocks. It, however, raised concerns over some securities dealers, which it said remain susceptible to interest rate risks, even though they are lower when compared to 2016. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $125.60. The Canadian dollar is selling for $98.02. Sterling cost $174.93, while the euro is going for $157.58. Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett says Jamaica is well positioned to partake in the booming health and wellness tourism market. Health and wellness tourism represents 1.8% of the global tourist trade, with spending totaling $180 billion annually. Mr. Bartlett said spas, through which health and wellness tourism is offered, will play a major role in the growth of the tourist sector in Jamaica. Stocks ended mostly higher today, pulling the JC index up more than 1,222 points, while the junior market index lost 2 points. Stocks posting gains today included 1834 Investments, Carreras, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Broilers, Kingston Properties, Main Event Entertainment, Raider Jamaica, Scotia Group, and T-Tech. On the losing end were AMG Packaging and Paper, Foss Rich, Jamaica Producers, Knoxford Express, NCB Financial Group, and the Wisynco Group. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.